Hi everyone. Another product I want to introduce that I found from Costco, which is very easy to make. This is the one I got from is organic. It comes with berry, strawberry, raspberry, kale, spinach, and banana. This bag I got is like $10.79. Inside there's a 6 individual bags. Like each bag you can make a smoothie for like 8 ounces of cup. One good thing I like about this smoothie is everything is fresh fruits, healthy style. This is how it comes like in a bag. So all you do is like, you don't need to add ice. By the way, they ask you to like put this bag into a freezer. All you need to do is put this into a blender, a cup of water, and then you're done. And FYI, this package, it comes with instructions teaching you how to do it. It doesn't come with sugar. So the natural sweet, I can tell you right now, it's not gonna be enough. I use honey. So think about it like jumbo juice, like probably cost you $5-6 for medium. I usually order large. So in this case, for $10, you can make 6 cups. Why not, right? Do it at home, like very simple and fast. So let's get started. Each individual package, they give you like little instructions. So I would say each bag, you can make a 2 cup. So first you just dump the thing. Everything is frozen, by the way. That's why they tell you don't need ice at all. It's very healthy, which you can stay healthy at home as well. Have all the berry, antioxidant, and potassium, kale, vegetables, all the vitamins you can think of. So basically the next step they tell you is 1.5 cup of water, or you can add juice or milk in a blender. I use water, would be good enough. But before I start blend it, I'm gonna put the honey on it. So this is the honey I got. Doesn't matter which kind, just something sweetness. I don't have a specific amount. I just like whatever I think is enough, then I'll just stop. Again, I'm not a sugar lover. Like I don't like super sweet stuff. Just whatever amount I believe is good, then I'll just stop. So the last thing you do is just add the water. Water here. I usually like thick juice, so I'm just gonna add like 1 cup instead of 1.5. They ask you the next step is like blend it high for 60 seconds until your desired texture or thickness. From this point, I don't follow the step anymore. I just blend it till I think it's good. So yeah, it's very easy. You cannot go wrong with this. So yeah, if you think about the cost, it's definitely cheaper than drinking at jumbo juice. Good smoothie, you can control how much sugar you want, add honey. This is the summer smoothie you can easily make at home without any effort. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.